Hey guys, and welcome to Castle's Corner. I am Coach Castle, and if you're wondering why I'm on the floor, it's because in the last video I made, I uploaded the chair workout, perfect exercise for every muscle group on your body using just a chair. It was pointed out that I missed the lats. That's the latissimus dorsi muscle, which is a big slab of your back, basically. Very correct, by the way. So I'm going to show you how to do it real quick, again, while I'm on the floor. And I'm also going to add it to that video. So this is basically how you'll be training your lats. Well, one way to train your lats, body weight style at home. You just have to have either a slippery floor or paper plates to put on your knees. I'm just going to show you myself on the floor here real quick. But it's just body weight. You're going to put your arms out straight. If you want to make it easier, you just bend at the elbows slightly. Basically, just like with the 30-30 cable pull for your lats, you're going to be focusing on putting your arm 30 degrees out, 30 degrees up, a little bit more if you have to. You're then going to be focusing on pulling your elbow towards your hips, and you're going to be maintaining an arch in your back, and you're going to be dragging yourself along like you're paralyzed or some such thing. So let me show you what it looks like real quick from two different angles. Just like a walrus or some such thing. And again, just focus on elbows going towards hips. And from a different angle. And yeah, this is actually harder than it looks. And just make sure your floor is slippery again. Or just lay down a piece of paper. They have the little sliders you can step on, put your knees on. Basic paper plates. That's about all, guys. I hope this helps. It's very effective. Just give it a try yourself if you're not sure. Every little bit counts. Don't forget, get your finger exercise in and help me out at the same time. Like, share, comment, and subscribe.